Today, I'll show you how to add Jotform to Squarespace. If you're looking to integrate an interactive form into your Squarespace website, Jotform is a versatile tool that allows you to create engaging forms for collecting information from your visitors. Whether you're gathering contact details, conducting surveys, or processing registrations, this guide will make the integration process smooth and straightforward. First things first, let's head over to jotform.com. If you haven't already created an account, go ahead and sign up. It's free and only takes a moment. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with all your forms. Choose the form you want to add to your Squarespace site. If you haven't created a form yet, now's the time to do so. Once you have your form ready, click on it and then select Edit Form to make any last-minute changes or customizations. After you've fine-tuned your form, the next step is to publish it. You'll find the Publish button at the top of the form editor. Clicking this will bring up various options for sharing and embedding your form. For our purposes, we'll focus on the Share with Link section. Here, you'll see an option to copy link. Click this button to copy the direct URL of your form to your clipboard. This link will be essential for embedding your form into your Squarespace site. Now, let's shift gears and open a new tab to navigate to squarespace.com. Log into your account and head over to the website where you want to embed your form. Once you're on your Squarespace dashboard, click on Go to Website to open your live site. From here, you'll see an Edit Site button. Click it to enter the website editor mode. Once in the editor, navigate to the page where you'd like to place your Jotform. Click Edit to start making changes to that specific page. Within the editor, you'll notice an option that says Add Block. This is where you can add different types of content to your page. Click on Add Block, which will open a menu of various content blocks available to you. In the search bar of the block menu, type Embed and click on the Embed option when it appears. This will add an embed block to your page. The embed block allows you to integrate external content by using a URL or an embed code. Now click on the link button within the embed block. This is where you'll paste the link you copied from Jotform earlier. Finally, paste the link into the provided field and apply the changes. Once the link is pasted, your Jotform should appear in the preview area of the embed block. If everything looks good, save your changes and exit the editor. Your Jotform is now live on your Squarespace site, ready to collect responses from your visitors. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can seamlessly integrate a Jotform into your Squarespace website, enhancing its functionality and user interaction. Whether you're running a small business, managing a nonprofit, or simply creating a personal site, this addition can be incredibly valuable. Thank you for watching and happy form building.